Besides typing in the web address, there are two other ways of getting to a website. The first is by using a search engine. This is a website or app that searches the internet for you. Google is the best-known search engine. To use a search engine, you type what you're looking for into the search bar. If we didn't know the web address for Facebook, for instance, we would type it here and hit Enter. We'd get results that look something like this. Google results change all the time and also change based on where you are. So if you did the search today, it might look a bit different. When you look at search results, all the clickable links will appear as blue text. Clicking or tapping on a link will take you to a new website or page on a website. Links aren't just in search engines, they can be on any web page and work the same way. Don't click on a link unless you know where it's going. There are two ways you can spot a link. They're usually blue, like here, and often underlined. In most browsers, when you hover the arrow over them, it turns to a pointing finger to show you that it's a clickable link. If you've been to a website once and think you'll want to go back again, you can bookmark it. This makes your browser remember the site so you can go straight there next time. To bookmark a site on Chrome, you click on the three dots at the top right, then click Bookmarks, then bookmark this tab. The steps to bookmark a tab might be a bit different on different browsers, and in some browsers they're called favorites. Once you've bookmarked a website, you can see it again by clicking on Bookmarks or Favorites and go straight there by clicking on it. Once you're on a website, you can follow some of the links you see to explore the information on the site, or you can just stay on the main page. For more information on online basics, check out the other videos in the series. Visit our website at telus.com/wiseonlinebasics.